Welcome to Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes on Turbotax self-employed. Gather your Form 1099, receipts, and bank statements before starting, then create or log into your Turbotax self-employed account. Choose the self-employed product, enter business details, and upload income documents. Categorize expenses accurately, track mileage, and apply deductions. Review calculated self-employment tax and quarterly payments. Then e-file when ready with direct deposit for refunds. Save a copy for your records. Next, focus on reporting income clearly and completely in Turbotax self-employed. Enter each Form 1099 exactly as issued, and add any cash or side gig income you received without a 1099. Assign each payment to the correct income category so totals match your bank records. Confirm year-to-date totals and check for common missed items like refunds or reimbursed expenses. Accurate income reporting reduces audit risk and speeds up processing. Now let's cover deductions and mileage to lower your tax bill on Turbotax self-employed. Decide between standard mileage or actual auto expenses and enter miles driven or costs like gas and repairs. Add deductible items such as a home office percentage, supplies, advertising, and subcontractor payments with receipts. Turbotax will calculate depreciation and limits automatically when you enter accurate numbers. Maintain documentation to substantiate deductions if the IRS asks, and review totals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.